Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How To's. In this video, I will show you how to remove Facebook account from Instagram. So this is gonna be very easy and a very fast one. So let's start our tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to open up your Instagram application. In your Instagram application, you will be redirected to your homepage here, as you can see on my screen. So first thing that you want to do is you want to go to your profile at the bottom right of your screen. Then from here, you want to click on the 3-bar icon at the top right of your screen. And from here, you want to go to settings and privacy. In the settings and privacy, you will notice the your account section and the other stuff that you could actually edit here. So we want to actually go to our account center here, and that would actually pop up a new UI to our screen. So here we have the profiles, the connected experiences, and the account settings itself. So previously, we could actually remove your Facebook account from Instagram by going to profiles and by just going to the account that you want to remove here. So for example, if you want to remove your Facebook account, you just need to click on the Facebook account here, and from here you'll be able to actually remove your account. But as of the moment right now, you'll see there's no option for us to actually remove our account here on Facebook. The reason behind is the setting to actually remove your Facebook account is moved to a different UI, which is in this case Instagram always does this. They move a bunch of settings in different location. That's why you won't see it immediately on your settings here. So we want to go back again and back to the account center. So under account center, you want to go to account settings, and under account settings, you want to go to accounts. So under accounts, you'll be able to see all of the accounts that you have connected here on the account center. So here to remove some account, or for Facebook, you just need to click on the remove button there. And from here, it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to remove the following Facebook account from this account center? So there's a few information here, like for example, remove account. The following user will lose access to connect experiences, will not delete or deactivate your account. So if you remove your account here, this will not deactivate or delete your account, but will just remove this from the connected experiences. So you also have the other options here. So instead of just removing the account, if you want to manage how you share your content or manage how you log in, you could go and adjust those settings. But if you're sure that you want to remove your Facebook account from the connected experiences in Meta, you just need to click on the remove account button here, and it's going to ask you the following question if you really want to remove your account and a few other details like we discussed before. And once you're sure, again, just click on the continue button, and that would actually unlink or remove your account by just clicking on the remove the following Facebook account, and you should be good. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.